So, are you somebody who wants to live in Thailand for a longer duration of time, let's say up to 1 year, and at the same time want to learn Thai language as well? So, if you are somebody who wants to live in Thailand for a long duration of time and want to learn Thai language as well, you are in luck, because in today's video, I'm just going to tell you guys how can you live in Thailand longer and learn Thai language as well. So, without any delay, watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be informative for you. So if you didn't already know it, you can get Thailand's education visa up to 1 year using a Thai language school, which simply means is that you can enroll yourself in a Thai language school, and the Thai language school will prepare documents for you. Using those documents, you can get a Thai education visa for up to 1 year easily. You can get this visa in your own country at a Thai embassy, or you can get this visa while you are already in Thailand. It doesn't matter if you are over here on visa exemption or you are over here in Thailand on tourist visa, you can change your status to education visa. So it's that simple. So all you need to do is to first contact a Thai language school, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to one such a school. The name of this school is Thailand Expat Language School, and this school is based in Krabi. So I'm recommending this school because one of my friend studied over here, and I find the fees of this school to be way too reasonable. To be honest, the fees for like 1 year program is somewhere around 43,000 Thai baht, which is less than like 1,300 US dollars. It's that cheap. And it's not just about the price. The good thing about this school is that they have quality teachers, and they do help students in their visa process too. Like for my friend, they were able to help him in his visa process, and my friend was able to secure his education visa easily. So that's one of the good thing about this school, and that's why I'm recommending them in this video. So I'm just going to show you guys their website and their contact information. So if you are interested in like learning Thai language and at the same time get like 1 year visa and live in Thailand for a long duration of time, you can contact this school directly, and I'm sure they would be able to help you guys to like with the process. They will guide you through the process about like preparing the documents for the application, about like visa, how to secure visa in your own country, or how to secure visa while you are in Thailand. So yeah, I'm sure they are going to help you with this process. So anyway, without any delay, let's get to their website. All right, so let's check out Thailand Expat Language School. So if you will search on Google Thailand Expat Language School, you will find the school's website. You will find the Google Map address of the school over here. So yeah, we can check out the website first. So this is the website with the information about the school. So if you look over the course over here, you can see the courses that the school has to offer. So the school is offering 3 courses over here, from level 1 for 3 months, level 2 for 6 months, and level 3 for 1 year. So you can just check the information about these schools and the fees on their website, and read some testimonials from the students who have studied over here. So these are some of the testimonials from the students who have studied at this school. If you want to contact them, you can just contact them directly via the website, or you can contact on the WhatsApp and line. It's that easy. So they will help the. So if you read a little bit about them, learning Thai language from Thailand Expat Language, fully licensed by the Ministry of Education, and getting an ED visa is the best way to stay in Thailand without worrying about visa runs. Aside from experiencing the exceptional beauty of the country, you will also get a chance to learn its culture and use its language for your living advantages. So yeah, it's good to learn the language so you can live in Thailand easily if you know the Thai language. And Thailand Expat Language School is a good school to learn. You can attend the classes in person, and if you cannot attend the classes in person, you can take the classes online as well. So it's that easy. So yeah, this was it for the video. I hope that you found this video informative, because like many people want to live in Thailand, they want to learn Thai language, but they don't know about these schools. So I just wanted to share a little bit about this school in Krabi, and I hope that you will find this video informative. And if you found this video informative, do give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos, informative videos about Thailand and Krabi. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day ahead.